Hey Fit Pros, maximize your website's potential in 60 seconds. Here's how. User-friendly design. Ensure easy navigation with a clean, simple design. Clear call to action. Each page should have a clear action for your visitors to take. Mobile optimization. Ensure your website functions well on all devices. SEO. Use fitness-related keywords to boost your search engine ranking. Regular updates. Keep content fresh with new posts, stories, and upcoming events. That's it. Your website is often the first impression, so make it count. And remember, stay tuned for more Get Fit Fast fitness marketing tips in 60 seconds or less. And don't forget, like, subscribe, and comment if you found this helpful. I'll see you next time.